Good morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. Uh, US markets were down 0.3% on Friday. Most Asian markets are closed this morning because of New Year. Gift Nifty is flattish to marginally negative. There is some data that came out over the weekend on China. So we will discuss that. China's factory activity declined in December to the lowest level in last 6 months. Manufacturing PMI declined to 49 against expectation of 49.6. Falling export orders coupled with insufficient domestic demand led to the fall. Weak demand has also been reflected in the consumer price deflation. This is the only major economy where we have seen deflation instead of inflation. And also China witnessed shrinking of imports. So this tells us that demand is pretty weak, the domestic demand also. Further, the property downturn in China is severe and is expected to persist in the longer term also, which will further curb demand for consumer durable and appliances items. So overall outlook for China remains negative. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yes, thank you, Jihan. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. First of all, happy new year to all of you. Today, the Nifty is likely to open with a little bit of gap down opening, and we're likely to witness some sort of a profit booking during a day. Last week, we have seen a very good rally into the Nifty. Nifty was up by almost 2% on the closing basis and touched the high of 21,800 levels, a new high, which is given a very positive sign. Now, the profit booking cannot be denied at the higher levels. We believe that the view will remain a positive, but small retracement can be seen into the market. The immediate support level lies at 21,680. Any move below that level, we are likely to witness some sort of a profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 21,600 to 21,530. Whereas on high side, as of now, 21,780 is the first resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. If it surpasses that level, then we can witness some sort of a profit buying, or say the upward positive momentum rally towards 21,850, and above that level 22,000 levels can be tested. Coming towards the bank Nifty, 48,420 is the first support level. Below that level, 48,200 and 48,000 levels can be seen. Whereas on high side, 48,820, 49,000 are the crucial resistance level. We need to keep eye on it. Coming towards the Fin Nifty, 21,710, 21,760 are the two crucial resistance level, whereas the support is placed at around 21,590, 21,530. Stock specific, Atul Industry really looks very good on the technical front. We believe this stock is trading in a positive way, trading in the pattern of the high tops, high bottom. The technical parameters are really doing very well on this particular counter. We are looking for a target of 7380. Those who have missed out buy call, which we have initiated last week only, they can take a buy call at the CMP as well by maintaining a stop loss of 7060 for immediate target of 7380. That's it from my hand. I request Nero to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, see, looking at the overall data, the rollovers have been good. So, that is one thing that was important for this month start. They have been good, and the open interest at the 22,000 call strike indicates small resistance. However, we expect that to be, taken out, and in the meantime, there can be a couple of days of consolidation where we are seeing, some negative activity today. The SGX is down. But overall, the view is positive. Banks have done pretty well, and banks should continue to witness good buying going forward. Open interest also has decreased in Nifty. That is because of the rollovers. PCR is low. The VIX importantly has decreased from 15.5 to about 14.5 levels. That is another positive. So yeah, all in all, the data that we are looking at is still positive. So one should not book profits even at current levels. That is most important. We can look to buy on dips, continue to look to buy on dips. Good support levels around the 21,700 and 21,500 levels. That is where a good base is being formed. So all in all, the view is positive. From the stock specific front, uh, the banks should do very well going forward, the private ones and the PSU ones as well. So, both these banking stocks should be bought from both the baskets. Um, we like HDFC Bank from the private space and SBI from the PSU space. So, go ahead and look to buy for a good 5-7% increase. Yeah, so that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Yeah. Grasim has commissioned an additional 1.2 lakh ton capacity of advanced materials manufacturing at Bharuch, Gujarat. So this is positive. RPB Infra Projects has received a letter of acceptance for 3 projects worth 70 crore, 53 crore, and 60 crores. GPT Infra Projects has been declared L1 for a project in West Bengal worth 267 crores. Cochin Shipyard has fixed January 10 as a record date for purpose of determining eligibility of shareholders for 1:2 stock split. So it's positive for Cochin Shipyard. And lastly, KPI Green Energy has announced the issue of bonus shares in the proportion 1:2. So that's positive as well. Also, today, auto volume expectation we will discuss as auto numbers will be coming out today. Two-wheelers seems to now stand out since last 3 months and is expected to do well even in December. Hero is expected to grow at 15% and TVS and Bajaj in the 30 to 35% range. Next, passenger vehicles are expected to do well with Maruti growth expectation at 9% and M&M's auto segment at 22%, while Tata Motors passenger vehicle segment is expected to remain flat. Commercial vehicles have lost steam in recent months. Both Tata Motors and Ashok Leyland CV sales are likely to decline by 5%. And in tractors, the Mahindra tractors is expected to remain flat. So overall, we have seen that in recent months, the growth pattern has shifted from commercial vehicles to two-wheelers, whereas passenger vehicles remains kind of robust and has been growing in the range of 5 to 10% consistently. Thank you.
Good morning and Happy New Year to everyone. In case of SRF, on December 30th, it's 317 crore project of fluorocarbon refrigerant gas capacity expansion has been commissioned. This is positive for the company. Jubilant Ingrevia has commissioned its multipurpose agro intermediate plant to produce value-added derivatives at its manufacturing facility at Bharuch. This is positive for the company. Phenotex Chemical has acquired additional factory land of 7 acres at Ambernath for a total investment of rupees 35 crore, which is funded by the company's internal accruals. The plant is primarily is expected to cater to the growing demands of the customers in the existing specialty performance chemical products. So this is marginally positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone from the commodities team? Yeah. So we will end the call here. Thank you everyone for attending.